Conjunctions and Interjections. Hello and welcome back to Learn with ABmom. Today in this lesson, we are going to talk about conjunctions and interjections. We are going to cover the difference between both of them in English grammar. Definitions, their relations and connections with the help of examples. So stay with me to the end. First, let's talk about the difference between conjunctions and interjections. Conjunctions connect words, phrases, or clauses, while interjections express sudden emotions. Conjunctions join parts of a sentence, showing relationships between ideas, like and, but, or because. Interjections, on the other hand, are independent words that show feeling like wow or ouch. Conjunctions. Definition. Words that connect words, phrases, or clauses. There are different types of conjunctions. 1. Coordinating conjunctions, that join words, phrases, or clauses of equal value, examples, and but, or. 2. Subordinating conjunctions, that join a subordinate clause with a main clause, examples, because, although, when. 3. Correlative conjunctions, which connect words, phrases, or clauses of equal value in pairs, examples, either or, neither nor. Example, I went to the store and bought some milk. What about interjections? Definition. Words that express emotion and can stand alone or within a sentence. Examples, wow, ouch, hey, shhh. Punctuation, often followed by an exclamation point. Function, express surprise, pain, joy, or other emotions. At the end of this lesson, let's have a look at the key differences. Function. Conjunctions connect parts of a sentence, while interjections express emotion. Punctuation. Conjunctions generally don't require special punctuation, while interjections often use an exclamation point. Grammatical role. Conjunctions have a grammatical function in connecting sentence parts, while interjections are grammatically independent. I hope this lesson will be a great guide for you to understand when and how to use each of them in your daily routine conversation. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Love and peace to all.